Data science trends to watch in 2024 for business intelligence. As we look towards the year 2024, several key trends are shaping the way companies harness data for decision-making processes. Machine learning evolution. With advancements in algorithms and computing power, machine learning models are becoming more sophisticated, enabling businesses to extract valuable insights from their data. Artificial intelligence integration. Artificial intelligence, AI, is another trend reshaping business intelligence. In 2024, can expect to see AI becoming more integrated into data science workflows, automating tasks and enabling more efficient decision-making processes. Data visualization innovation. In 2024, we will witness a surge in data visualization innovation, with interactive dashboards and immersive technologies making it easier for businesses to interpret and share data. Advanced analytics adoption. In 2024, we can expect to see a shift towards more sophisticated analytics techniques, such as deep learning and natural language processing. Data privacy and security focus. From data encryption to secure data sharing protocols, data privacy and security will be top priorities for companies leveraging data science for business intelligence. Conclusion. In conclusion, the year 2024 holds exciting opportunities for businesses to leverage data science for enhanced business intelligence.